Hello the judges and everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Currently, the spread of cross-infection in dentistry is increasingly widespread, such as gingivitis. The increase in cases is due to infection caused by the sterility of this medical device. So far, only autoclave machines are available. Autoclave requires a large amount of electric power and has a size of 41 times 41 times 43 cm, made of stainless steel, which is not easy to remote area. This limitation makes it difficult for dentists to carry out the sterilization process. In the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, this can be overcome with the newest technology such as ALADIN. ALADIN is a technology that has a sterilization method using plasma powered by solar cells.
ALADIN has two systems, namely, the first is the dental instrument sterilization system, and the second is a system for converting solar energy into electrical energy using solar cells. In this research, we designed a tool and then we tested the efficiency level of the tool using E. coli bacteria. ALADIN was using corona cloud discharge plasma method for sterilization stage. The corona cloud discharge plasma is a type of non-thermal plasma and a source of ions, electrons, and free radicals. When the ion produced by the corona cloud discharge hit a bacteria cell, hydrogen-free radicals, hydroxyl radicals, and some peroxide can cause several types of damage to the cell. Each of these reactive molecules is capable of degrading and changing biopolymer such as deoxyribonucleic acid, usually we call it DNA, and proteins. Ion can interact directly with DNA, causing the polymer bonds to break. Ionization and degradation of important molecules in biological material, such as DNA and enzyme proteins, lead to cell death. Following the design of our device, the plasma consists of several components. The outer upper frame is the solar cell as a main component for conversion of solar energy into electrical energy. Then on the front, there are buttons for tool control as well as monitoring. Then the inner framework is divided into two, namely the top and the bottom. For the upper part, there is a chamber and a needle as a storage area as well as a place for sterilization to occur. The lower part contains electrical component. It is how to use ALADIN. First, enter the dental device that you want to sterilize. Second, press the red switch to turn on the controller and set the desired voltage and duration. Then, press the black switch to generate the plasma. The dental tool sterilization system is divided into two stages. The first stage is the sterilization stage by spraying ethanol, and the second stage is the sterilization stage using plasma, which is carried out for approximately 100 seconds. And then this process can be monitored via smartphone.
The E. coli bacteria, the contamination test on dental instrument was carried out to determine how optimal and efficient it was to use the autoclave sterilizer with ALADIN. The test was carried out by using dental instrument to collect E. coli bacteria in a petri dish containing a 48-hour-old E. coli culture with a density of 1 times 100 egg cell milliliter inoculate on the aerosol medium. Next, the dental instruments were placed into the ALADIN instrument container to be given 70% ethanol as the first stage of sterilization. Then irradiated the plasma for 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100 seconds with a treatment of 3 kV. The result of the decontamination test resulted in the number of E. coli bacteria decreasing linearly with the duration of plasma irradiation. And we've received several awards, such as 1. Silver Medal on Scientific Great Moment 2019, 2. Second place on Indonesian Youth Festival of Science at Hasanuddin University 2019, 3. First place on Ratio at Uganda University 2019, 4th Silver Medal of National Chemistry Expo and Festival 2020, and last Gold Medal of Indonesian International Invention Festival 2020. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.